Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to unblock someone on your Snapchat account, now to do that, first open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left. After tapping on that, just simply tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on your gear icon, from here you just have to search for locked option. Just simply scroll down and you will find block users option. Just simply tap on that, and after tapping on that, now you'll find all the users that you have blocked. Now if you want to unblock them, what you have to do is just simply tap on the wrong icon which you can find beside their profile name. What you have to do is just simply tap on it and then tap on unblock. After doing that, here you can see guys, the person has successfully been unblocked. So that's it guys, this is how to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.